Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel for Aimogen. So today I will be emphasizing on the AI chatbot feature of the plugin, and I want to redo these tutorial videos as the plugin changed a lot since I created it. It was updated over and over. New features will be popping and were popping to it, and if you see this tutorial video, the menu of the plugin might change in the future, so keep in mind this, but I will redo this tutorial once the menu will change considerably. But right now let's jump in this tutorial. Aimogen is linked in this video's description also, you can check it if you haven't already. And I will be using the AI chatbot feature of this plugin mainly. So first of all, let me test the chatbot feature as it is out of the box. So hello, what is your name? This is an example question and the AI will respond with a random name. My name is Kyle. So it is making up a name. Okay, so now let me explain some settings from here. So we are in the chatbot customizations tab from the AI chatbot menu. So first of all, the most important part is the chatbot context. So here we will be able to set a context for the chatbot. So for example, let's say you are an astronaut, you are explaining stuff about space travel. Give details only about space travel and about nothing else. Okay, so like this you can set a context to the chatbot which will be invisible to users. So as you will see, this will not be visible to users, and if we ask him, the chatbot, what is your purpose? And the response should be about being an astronaut and explaining stuff about space travel. So once the chatbot is responding, space travel is a process of traveling through the vacuum of space. Okay, so on. Okay, so now I set the chatbot to be an astronaut. And we can also use many shortcodes from here, like post title, post content. These shortcodes will be able to make the chatbot content aware. So if we add this chatbot on a post, for example, using this little shortcode that the plugin provides, so if you add this to a post, the chatbot will be included in that post. So if you do this, you will be able to use the post content shortcode to tell the chatbot about the content of the post or the post title. You can tell the chatbot here in the chatbot context that, hey, you are currently on a post with this title, and you can copy this shortcode and this will be replaced with the actual title of the post where the user is checking the chatbot. Also content, plain text, excerpt, categories, tags, featured image, and many more. Also you can set a random sentence in the main settings of the plugin. Also you can make the chatbot user aware and it will be able to know details about the currently logged in user. So if you want this, you can use the username shortcode and you will be able to copy this and tell the chatbot you are chatting with, and you will be able to tell the username with who the chatbot is chatting. And let me save this and ask the chatbot, with who are you currently talking? Okay, and the chatbot will get my username from this site. an administrator as my username is admin. And yeah, it's about space travel because the chatbot is currently an astronaut. Okay, so now let's continue, and we can remove this part to not interfere with further tests, and we can set a username. So you can set a username for the user part and an AI name, AI bot. So I set the username to be Carlo and AI bot to be the name of the AI. So this also is invisible to users, so you don't display this part to users, only it's visible to you, to the chatbot, sorry. So we can ask the chatbot, what is your name? And in this case, this will be prepended to every message sent to the chatbot by the chatbot, and this will be prepended by every message sent by the user. And like this, the chatbot will know that his name is AI bot, what we enter here. And if we ask what is my name, the chatbot should know it's Carlo because it's prepended to every message. And also we have an AI first message. Hi, I like space travel. Do you like it also? Hi, I like space travel. Do you like it also? This will be the first message which the chatbot will tell, and the user will respond that yes, that's great. What do you like the most about space travel? Okay. We will be able to continue now and remove these parts to not interfere with further testing, and we will be able to move to the chatbot styling, this little tab here, and we will be able to set font size, width, height, for minimum height, chat input placeholder. So enter your message here is the default, and we can change this placeholder text. So ask me something. We can change this, and talk now will be the text of the submit button. So now let's save this, and ask me something, talk now is changed. And as I said, these are styling options. You can also change color, background color of the chat, font color, balloon background color, which will be the user balloon background color. So this is the user balloon background color, and the AI balloon background color is this little grayish color. AI font color and user font color can be also set, and input border color, submit button color, and text color. So you can change full colors and text on the styling part. The moderation is also possible to be enabled. Currently this is in open beta from OpenAI, the moderation endpoint, and you will be able to use this for free at the moment, but this might change in the future. So moderation will check messages if they are flagged as inappropriate, and the bot will display the message which you set here for inappropriate messages, and it will not be sent to the AI, and the message will be removed. Okay, so I don't think I want to demo the moderation part, as I cannot add any ugly words here on YouTube, but you can test this yourself. Also, chatbot website injection. You can inject the chatbot on the front end, the back end, or both. So let's inject this on both. You can select the location where you want to inject the chatbot, the width of the chatbot, and URLs where not to show the chatbot, So you can enter URLs here, one per line, where you don't want to enable the chatbot, and you can set an example chatbot logo here to be used, and we can enable this on front end and back end, for example, and let's save. And we have this little logo on the front end and also on back end, and if we click it, we will see that the chatbot is popping up and people will be able to interact with the chatbot. So my name is Sarah. This is once again made up as we don't have anything in the customization part from here. Okay, so we will go now to chatbot settings, which are some more detailed settings. Enable message copying by clicking it, so you can check this and people will be able to copy messages simply by clicking it. So we copied this message and we will be able to paste it here. Scroll to bottom of the form on new messages. You will be able to enable this when the chat log gets too long. You will see that the scroll bar will appear here. So let's make this happen. And you will be able to set the chatbot to scroll down to the bottom when new messages appear. But we will be able to show you soon this when there will be two messages so let me show you. Need help, and here it is. The scroll bar is appearing, and because currently we don't have this saved, so we don't have this setting saved, on new messages we don't scroll down. As you can see, we don't scroll down, but if you check this and save settings on new messages, the chat will scroll down automatically and make the latest message visible. Enable chatbot instant responses. As you saw, the chatbot currently is using a typing effect, and you can disable this typing effect that you see right now by checking this checkbox, and in this case the chatbot will respond instantly. Chat mode, you can switch to image chat, and let me show you what image chat means. So we can ask something the chatbot, and ask me an image of a deer. And in this case the chatbot will not respond with text, but it will respond with images, an actual image of a deer. So this is also a nice feature. You can enable image chat by switching this. And some more details about image chat, that in the main settings in the AI chatbot tab you will be able to set the image size. So this is also something that is good to know. Okay, and now let's continue to persistent chat. You will be able to enable persistent chat, and if we go and check on this feature, we have here the persistent chat now enabled. And if we write something, hi, what is your name? My name is John. And if we go to limits and statistics, persistent chat logs, we will see that admin made a chat here, and we can see the chat, hi, what is your name? My name is John. So keep in mind, this will be in the limits and statistics persistent chat logs. Actually, I think that I should move this feature from the limits and statistics part to here in the AI chatbot, as it is more intuitive. So expect this to appear here in the AI chatbot part, as I actually realized right now that it is more intuitive to have this persistent chat logs part here. Okay, now we will be moving to prompt templates. You can add a semicolon separated list of prompt templates from which the user will be able to select one. So my name is John, semicolon, my name is Jack. And if we save settings now, you can see that a select appeared and the user is able to select my name is John or my name is Jack. And this will be sent automatically. Currently the user is able to edit the prompt, but if you make the prompt editable off, the user will not be able to edit prompts. So my name is John and he will not be able to edit this. He can also only send what you predefine here. So let's make this remove and okay. You can also set some user token cap limitations per day and max input length of the input from here. You can set these settings in the AI chatbot limitations from chatbot settings. Also, we have the API parameters, which are advanced settings. You can set here the model which to be used by the chatbot, temperature, TOPI, presence penalty, and frequency penalty. Don't set this if you don't know what you are doing. Okay, so this will be the chatbot customization tutorial and how to use chatbots and each and every feature which is currently available for chatbots. If you have more ideas for this feature and for the chatbots, let me know in the comments of this video. It is really welcome. Any ideas welcome. And keep in mind, until next time, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. This is all for today. Bye bye.